Yes guys, in preparing coconut oil, I'm going to be using 2 coconuts. These are my 2 coconuts. Right now I've broken my coconut and I've removed the back, as you can see. Right now guys, let me cut the coconuts in small so that I'll be able to blend it. Right now I am done cutting my coconut. This is the water that came out from coconut. I will add. The water is not enough. Add more water. Right now it's time to blend. Time to blend my coconut. Right now it's time to blend my coconut. Right now I am done blending my coconut. Now I need to sieve. I need to sieve out the water, the coconut milk. Look at it. I'm done sieving. This is what I got. I need to blend the second time in order to get more coconut milk. Yes, I'm done blending it second time. Then I see. This is what I got. This is my coconut milk. I have to leave it till the next day for 24 hours. Okay, because we are in winter now, I have to leave it outside, but during summertime I have to put it inside the fridge for 24 hours before using. Okay, right now this is the coconut milk after 24 hours. Then I have to bring out the oil. Look at the way it is. This is the oil. Now guys, this is what I got from the coconuts. This is the oil. I'm going to put it on fire on a low heat. It's on fire right now on a low heat to extract the oil. This is how it looks after some time. That's the way it is basically after some time. Here is what I got. I will allow it to get cold before I sieve out the oil. This is what I got after sieving out the oil. I got like what is it? 100 ml. Look at it. 100 ml coconut oil. With 2 coconuts, I got 100 ml oil. Actually, coconut oil is very good for sensitive skin, and some people use it for their kids, and some pregnant women also use it for their body, for sensitive body. Some use it for hair repair and so many other benefits. Okay guys, if you love this video, please give it a like and drop your comment under the comment section below. I love you guys. God bless you for watching my video. See you guys in my next video. Ciao.